customer service, call 101 please. Customer service 101.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am doing a pretty large haul for you today, just to kind of give you a breakdown of what I spent, what the costs were, and points given back and rebates and such. So we will start with the Royale Velour Ultra Plush. You can see here that this is the 12 double roll, 24. So these were retailing for $5.99 each. And every two you purchased, you would get back 1,000 points. And if you're new to PC Optimum points, 1,000 points is the equivalent of $1. So every two you get back 1,000 points. Then I also did this entire haul while there was a 20 times the points offer going. So 20 times the points is the equivalent of $1.71 back per package. And there is a $2 printable coupon on the Royale website. So I just printed out 4 of them. So $5.99 each. That equals $11.98 minus $1.71 each per package, minus 1,000 points, or like minus $1 for two, minus $2 coupons each. So that ends up being $1.56 each before tax. All of these prices I'm giving you is before tax. So again, the price originally was $5.99. It went down to $1.56. So next we will go to the Garnier shampoo, the Fructis shampoo in this case. So I have 36 bottles. There's 18 shampoos, 18 conditioners. These are $2.99 each. 2,000 points when you buy two. 85 cents back when you apply the 20 times offer, and a $1 coupon. So the coupon is when you buy two, get $2 off. There is a $3 off coupon when you buy two. I unfortunately never came across those. This would have been an even better deal if I had that one, obviously, but I did not. So again, $2.99 each equals $5.98 for two, minus 2,000 points for two, so $2, minus 88 cents each that you would get in points from the 20 times offer, and then minus $2 for purchasing two is the equivalent of 11 cents each, again before tax. Let's see here. So we will move on to the Vim products. So the Vims, same thing, $2.99, and then it's buy two and get 5,000 points back, and you are going to get 85 cents back in points per product with the 20 times offer. And I had a personal offer on my PC card, which was 400 points for every $2 spent. So $2.99 times 2 equals $5.98 minus 5,000 points, so that's $5, minus 85 cents twice for the 20 times offer, and minus $1.20 back from my personal offer, and that is the equivalent of negative 96 cents each. So each bottle made me 96 cents in the end. Again, but the thing is, obviously that's not including tax. So once you include tax, it's not necessarily a money maker, but you're paying less than what the tax would be essentially. You buy Kotex. So these are the liners, the 64 pack. The reason I chose those is because there was a coupon for any You Buy Kotex liners for $2 off. But I'll go with that in a second. So on my notes here, I actually had them down for $6.99, but they ended up ringing in, I believe, at $4.98. So for each, if you purchase two, you'd get back 3,000 points, minus a $2 coupon each, minus $1.99 each, which is the 20 times points per box. And so they ended up, I believe they actually ended up making me I think it was like 50 cents or something each, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so that was fantastic. The Axe body wash here. I truly wanted to come home with a ton of them because these were a good money maker as well. But unfortunately, they only had 7 at the store. So I picked up 6 because I did have to purchase them in even numbers for the points to apply and make sense. I would have absolutely loved to have purchased at least 8 because then I would have reached a $20 purchase total for Axe products, and I could upload my receipt and get back $5 from the Unilever website, but my total was $17.98. So it's all good. No worries. Next time, I guess. So for the Axe products, $3.99 each. 2,000 points when you buy 2. 20 times offer is the equivalent of $1.14 back. I had a $1.50 off coupon per product, and on Checkout 51, they are giving back $1.25 when you purchase 2. So again, $3.99 each. That's $7.98 minus $1.14 back from the 20 times offer, minus 2,000 points for purchasing 2, minus 150 coupon, and then minus 125 from Checkout 51. Each one ends up making you 90 cents. And then last but not least, we have here some tuna. So this was actually a request from my husband, and it just worked out perfectly that I had a personal offer on my PC for tuna, for no-name tuna actually. So this week they were 4 cans for $5, so that's $1.25 each. With the 20 times points, that's $1.43 back for 4 cans. And then my personal offer was 200 points each for each can. So $5 for 4 cans, minus $1.43 for 20 times points, minus 80 cents for personal offer. That's $2.77 for 4 cans, which is the equivalent of 69 cents each. So all of this, you got 4 packages of toilet paper, 36 bottles of shampoo. What do we have here? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 bottles of Vim, 2 boxes of liners, 6 bottles of body wash, and then 20 cans of tuna. Retail price for all of this is $280. It's like $279 or $278, so $280. And after points, after Checkout 51, after cattle, I technically ended up paying $25 for all of this. So couponing is very much a thing that you can do in Canada. But I don't want to sugarcoat this. It takes a long time to sit down and figure out all the math, figure out where to get the coupons, and figure out if your store has the products and how to work it around the 20 times offer. It is not something that you can do in 30 minutes. It takes hours to put this together, but the savings is incredible, obviously. So if you guys have any questions at all in regards to how to apply all these things together, or what's the best way to find deals, or if you need a link towards all the rebate apps that I use to get money back, please let me know in the comment section below. I will say though that links towards rebate apps such as Cattle, which is a really fantastic one, that is in my link in my bio. If you click that, you'll actually get $1 back for signing up. So that's your first $1 that you'll get. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this haul here, and I hope to see you soon in the next one. Bye.